Okay, here we are in the other bathroom. I've done the same thing. Wiped all that down with Simple Green. Got up here, wiped all this out with Simple Green. And I'm going to get back up in there. Let's first take my one screw. I didn't need to take out where the electrical cover is. And put that one back up. Yeah, this fan, this whole fan, oh, I don't know, 10 pounds or so. It's pretty heavy. 8 pounds, I don't know. We got the little grooves over here again. Make sure you're in both grooves, because you might think, oh yeah, I'm in it, and you only got one of those connected. Now this one will hold up because, see, it's friction fit. Look, this was the one that was kind of hard to take down because it was stuck in there. But granted, it's never been taken out for 18 years. Okay. Make sure this goes on right. And it's only going to go on one direction. If you try to force it one direction, it's not going to go. Okay. Good. Good. Good, 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 good. Put our cover on. Sometimes these will bend out of whack. You can rebend them and stuff, and they're off-centered. Some are straight on. Years ago, they used to always be straight on. Now, for some reason, they're off-centered. Not quite sure why they're like that. Okay, where's the, oh, okay, over there. I'll have to, because see, if I, well, actually, you know what? If I put it on that way, that's how it fits. And then if I were to swivel it this way, it still fits, because they're off kilter. So it doesn't really, it shouldn't matter which way you put it up. Okay. There. I'll push it up, and it should kind of pop up and stay tight. If it doesn't stay tight all the way, you could take it down. You could take this down here, pinch these together, take it out. Okay, and then maybe these have to be bent out further, you know, so that it'll suck it up there and keep it tight. But most of the time, they're all right. Yeah. See, it almost doesn't fit tight. But it's all right. It's okay. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should do it. Make it part of the video, right? Okay. I'm gonna take this part here and just bend it out a little. Bend this out this way. Okay. See, this one's pretty straight. I'm going to take that and bend it out carefully. I want to break the little plastic tab that's holding it. Well, this should fit a lot tighter now this time. Look at that. Did you feel that? Or did you hear that? Bonk. because I bent it out a little bit. If I had my tape measure, I could measure off the wall from here to here, from here to here, from there to there, from there to there. But I don't have it. And once you get it up, you can kind of stand back and kind of look at it and see if it's straight. And it looks pretty straight to that wall, doesn't it? And this wall over here, from here that way, you can't really see that. Yeah, okay. That looks fine. You see how that's sucked right up to the ceiling? And on the other one, it fit up there fairly decent in the other bathroom. I wonder if I if I need to do the other one too. Maybe. No, see that one looks nice and tight. Okay. But there, you know how to adjust that now. And now it's all about cleanup. And I'm going to sweep all this stuff up. And after I sweep, am I done? No. I'm then going to take my simple green with my bucket, my sponge, and I'm going to spray this whole floor down, and I'm going to wipe this all up because we've got rat stuff down here, and I want to disinfect. This stuff is going to disinfect and it's going to clean the floor. Okay? And so once I do that, then and only then will I be done with my project. Have it all cleaned up so it doesn't even look like I was here. Okay? And have it disinfected as well. That's how you want it when you're done. Oh, nice and clean. Now this is the way you want it. I wiped it, swept it, simple greened it, and went over every square inch of that with my sponge. Rinsed it out after I sprayed the simple green. I even took the vacuum here, vacuumed this corridor here where I was walking, as well as here and down the other side. Got all that done. Now I got to put all my stuff away. But I got in here, wiped this all down, put everything back where it was when I first came in here. You know, that's how you want it. I don't know why we've got a scale in here, but we do. And I can call this job complete. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I have no idea what I'm going to show you next time, but you might want to just keep checking out my channel and I'll find something. Oh, that's right. I've still got to finish the stairs out there. And Mommy let me off that for a few days so that I could find out where the rat was coming from and get this stuff all taken care of and cleaned up. And now I've done it. Yippee.